Welcome to this new Google Sheets lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about the basic functions in Google Sheets. I have a table here that shows me the sales in three stores, store A, B, and C, during these 5 months of May, June, July, August, and September. So we would like to do some calculation and use some of the functions available in Google Sheets. But before I do that, I'm going to come here. I'm going to select all these. I'm going to come to add-ons and I'm going to add a table. So these are my tables. If in case you don't have these table styles add-ons, you're going to come here, click get add-ons, and basically the add-ons are tools developed by third-party developers, and once we install them they add more functionality to our application. So I'm going to come here and click table or tables. Alright, this is the one I'm talking about. So you click it and basically you add it. Since I have it, I'm gonna just click out. I'm gonna go back to add-ons, click the apply style to selection. It's gonna give me the table styles available. I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna say apply to selection, and now my table looks better. I'm gonna come here and make everything bold. Okay, everything is centered. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come here and also format these to currency, and come here and format these as currency as well. Actually, I need to make sure to format this as well. Right, and there we go. Okay, I'm gonna come here, and the first function I'm gonna work with is the sum function. So I'm gonna say sum. I'm gonna go to the next cell, and here I'm gonna count my sum, basically the total. So I'm gonna type equals sum. As you can see, I have the IntelliSense to tell me or to give me the choices I have, and since I'm working with the sum, I'm gonna just click the bracket and come here and select all this from C5 to C9 and press enter, and then I have 3,325. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna come to this square, small square here. All right, take my cursor there and drag it all the way here, and basically here it's calculating for me the sum for these cells as well. All this column is calculated here. So if I click here, for example, as you see, E5 to E9, here is going to be D5 to D9, and here C5 to C9. And basically we use the sum function to add cell ranges, to add the values in the cell ranges. The next function I'm going to work with is the average. So I'm going to say average, and I'm going to go to the next cell and I'm going to say equals. We always start with the equals when we would like to use a function, and this time instead of typing the function, I'm going to come here where it says functions, this icon here. I'm going to click it and choose average, and now I choose my values, and I'm going to count the average for all of these cells and click enter. That's the average. And now I'm gonna come here and do the same thing, drag it to the cells to the right side. Okay, and the average function determines or finds the average of a range of cells. The next function I'm gonna work with is the count function. I'm gonna come here and say count, or capital like this, count equals, and I'm gonna say count and open parentheses and select all this and hit enter. It showed me 5. These are the numbers of cells with data, 5 cells. and it should show 5 in all the other cells, and that's what it is, 5. And the count function calculates the number of cells which have a value. Okay, I'm gonna come here, say max, and come here and say max C5, sorry, 5 to C9, and forgot to put the equal sign. Okay, that's better, and press enter. And the max function determines the highest value in a range of cells. The highest value here is 1200, as you see here. 1200 is the highest value. Let's see what it gives us in the other cells. 3020, which is this one. That's the highest value in this range of cells here. And in this one is 2690, which is this number right here. Alright, the opposite is the mean. Okay, I'm gonna close mean, select all these range and hit enter. The minimum value in this range of cells is 250 right here. And let's see the other cells. Alright, this one is 300 and this one is 100, which is this one. And basically the mean function determines the lowest value in a range of cells. With this we come to the end of this lesson. I thank you for watching. Have a good day.